total aggregate of 8.7 CGPA, and I was here at JSPIDERS Basavangudi because I was somewhere lagging in my IT skills, and just to cope up with the IT skills and be a good good foundation for the company, I came here. I joined Basavangudi JSPIDERS, and after joining Basavangudi JSPIDERS, I underwent data structures programming classes taken by Raghu sir, which was very descriptive, very efficiently. He told us the tactics to manage how to solve efficiently the coding problems, and I learned basic foundational skills from Shishira sir and Uday sir, which was regarding the OOPS concept, and Vivek sir has helped me learn the Java frameworks. He told us the logics, he told us how he made us the frameworks very simpler, and he made us understand the mechanism behind that. So overall, JSPIDERS Basavangudi is a best place for a student to join. For a student not only who belongs to the CSIT streams, but the person who belongs from circuit branches also can join here, cope up and extend their knowledge on IT. And Sheetal ma'am, who belongs to the HR department, she has been very cooperative and motivating, and her coordination and cooperation has helped us a lot during the placement activity.